We are out and about. Beautiful day today. Ang daming flowers. And super bloom. We're gonna check out this lake, Jenks Lake. It's in the San Bernardino National Forest near Angeles Oaks in San Bernardino County in California. Let's see. I hope we can catch something. Oh,
Jenks.
yeah, it's getting colder now because it's like 6,000 feet, I think. We're here at what do you call this? Jenks Lake. It's San Bernardino National Forest. This is our first time here. Let's see. Meron daw trout and bass. Watch your steps. Daming tao na. It's nice today. It's sunny pero it's like 60 degrees right now. It's nice. May snow pa dun sa taas. Bonnie! Trout limit. Pwede mag-picnic. It's nice.
I think.
Right, yeah, it's that time.
Right there, babe. There's trout. Babe.
Okay, let's go. We have to go back to that. You got lucky, mama.
Yeah. Sayang, Boon. I like the weather, Chloe. It's nice today. It's sunny pero like 60 degrees. Look at this. Bitin yung line niya kaya sumuot na siya dun. Maraming fishing like they're catching like trout, I think. May bass din daw. Wala pa kami nakukuhang bass. Good, Chloe. They make that sound.
Boom, boom, right now.
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, I thought you were fly fishing. Good job, Daddy Daddy. Nice one.